Hey guys, it's Mike again, and I'm back, and I got a new case for the 1466 board. Um, this case they sent to me with the bottom lid, which is kind of rare because most of the time they sell them in two parts for usually more money. But these guys were cool, so they sent me everything, including the speakers on both sides, and then the microphone, and even the keyboard. I just need to get another battery for it, but yeah, it's almost all done. All I need is a hard drive, and the case itself, I think it was like $45 in total, and then I bought the screws and the air card and the DCN cable. The DC board cable was uh, $2.27. The card over here is $2.29, $2.30, $2.30, and then the screw set was like $1.73. So after taxes, it's like $10 for all that, just to put all this in there. So those of you that have broken MacBooks that just want to do it yourself, it's pretty cheap, especially for early 2014 1466, and that has an A203437B board in it. But most of the boards, they're going to be the same. They're just going to have either more memory, a different processor, and what have you. They usually, the 1466s were up until I think 2015 or 2016, had the exact same specs on them. Maybe just a little faster processor in there, but that's about it. But I also have the trackpad coming in too, and that was like $8 from, I think it's from PowerBook Medic. But that's about it. But now it's the moment of truth, since I have everything connected here. I thought I'd show you guys. And as all 1466s will do, it'll boot 3 times. And there we go. It's good to go. All I need to do is get a hard drive and maybe some other connectors that I'm missing, a battery and a display, and that's it. And I'll have my own very, very usable MacBook Air. Anyway, thanks for watching.